Hi, how are you? I hope you all good and enjoying your life with your family, friends and colleagues. Today again videos about NEBOSH IGC series. We are still on NEBOSH series, NEBOSH IG series. So please check previous videos. So now today is about what is NEBOSH exam passing hacks. So it's very important video. Passing the NEBOSH exam required a solid understanding of the material, effective study strategies, and good exam techniques. While there are no shortcut to success, here are some hacks or tips that can help you to optimize your preparation and performance. So, understanding the syllabus thoroughly. Formalize with the syllabus. Know exactly what topics are covered. Use NEBOSH syllabus guide as your checklist. So you can download this NEBOSH syllabus guide from NEBOSH website. Prioritize key topics. Some topics are more likely to appear on the exam than other. Focus on those with the higher marks allocations or frequent past appears. Master command words. Command words is very important. I make one full video already in this series about the command words. Command words is very important to understand. That video is full with the command words. So command words you check from that video. As I mentioned before, command words like identify, outline, describes, and explain. How you should structure your answer. Mastering these can significantly improve your exam performance. So focus on the command words. Practice with the command word. Review past papers and practice responding the question using the correct command words. So as I mentioned, my previous video help you with the command words. So practice past paper. Use past paper effectively. Practice as many as past exam questions as possible. This help you get familiar with your question styles and timing. Self-marking. Use examiner's report to mark your answer, understanding what earns marks and what doesn't. So this where you can also go to the NEBOSH website, and most of things you can download from the NEBOSH website. So this is very helpful. Before attempting to the exam, when you are planning to do this course, go to the website, check what is available. So these many things available to help you, to help the students. Okay, and also the many institutes also providing these all examiner reports, etc. to help you. To focus on NEBOSH favorite topics, key areas. Certain topics commonly tested, such as the risk assessment, legal requirements, and workplace hazard. Ensure you know these very well. This is the favorite. These topics are favorite topics of NEBOSH. Review examiner report. These often highlighted areas where students commonly struggle, giving your insight into what to avoid. So this is examiner report is very helpful as well. So time management. Allocate time wisely. Spend time appropriately to marks available to each question. So if the question of 20 numbers, so you need more time and more writing there. But the question if 5 numbers, so accordingly you adjust your time. For example, don't spend too long on question worth only a few marks, like 5, sometime 5 marks, sometime 3 marks. So practice under exam condition. Simulate exam conditions when practicing to improve your time management. So some institute also providing a mock exam. So check when you, before enrolling to the exam, check these kind of institute. Those are taking mock exam. And create a memory aids, mnemonics, and can help you remember list of process. For example, use ERICPD. So ERICPD for the hierarchy of control, elimination, isolation, control of engineering controls, PPEs, and administrative control, discipline. So this kind of things you can also practice. Keep answer structures and concise. Examiner perfect, clear, and concise answer. Stick to the point and don't include unnecessary information, because unnecessary information, you have limits of words. If you put too much unnecessary information, it will eat your word count. So when you need the more word, you cannot write. So use bullet point. This is very, very, very important trick. Bullet points. Where appropriate, use bullet point to list clear and logically. One bullet point can give you a 1 mark. So be mindful with it. Make your answers in bullet points. So one bullet point can help you taking a 1 mark. Take care of your health. This is also very important. Stay healthy. Proper sleep, nutrition, and hydration in the day leading to the exam can help you to stay focused and perform better. Use relaxation technique like deep breathing or mindfulness to manage exam stress. Review, review, review. Review, review, review. So always review, revise regularly. Frequent review session help to reinforce your knowledge and improve your retention. Discuss topics with peers can help you to understand and expose you to different perspectives. On the exam day, rest night before, get a good night's sleep before exam, avoid last minute cramming, plan your exam day, start exam on time. You should have all necessary materials and each question carefully before answering. Check about the electricity schedule, if you need UPS, etc. So everything with you, because a quiet room you have to answer if you are answering online. Answer the easy question first. Start with the question you are confident about, the bullet movements, then tackle to the hard ones. Which question you are very confident, I can write, no problem, so attempt first. Addressing common pitfalls, do not over complete. Answer the questions asked, not what you think the question should be. Also, relevance or key. So you answer relevance question. Always look into the scenario. Always make sure your question from scenario. Your answer somewhere from scenario. What out of overwriting? More words don't necessarily means mark by precise and to the point. So make sure you be precise and to the point. Make your answer in bullet points. This is very important. So visual learning, if you are a visual learner, use mind maps, flow charts, and diagrams to organize and recall information. Practice, practice writing full answer within the time limit to ensure you can complete all questions during your actual exam. Mock exam, this is very, very important. Take a full length mock exam and experience the time pressure and exam format. This can highlight area where you need further revision. Know the open book exam strategy. For IGC 1, organize your material. If you sitting of an open book exam, organize your notes and resource efficiently so you can quick find information during the exam. Practical answering question, using your notes to become familiar with referencing them quickly and effectively. By applying these strategies, you can improve your chances for passing the NEBOSH exam. Remember that constant study practices and understanding of the material are key to success. Be confident.